Hello, this is Joel from the Relai team, and in today's video I'm going to show you where you can find your referral code in the Relai app and how you can share it with your friends. So let's get started in the app right away. The first thing is, if you then open the app, is at the top of the app you will see a few icons. To get to the referral code, you need to click into the gift icon that looks like a little gift. And once you're in there, you'll then see an overview of how many people have used your code, how many of them have bought and what have you earned, and what happened in the last 30 days. To now share your code, all you need to do is click the blue button. Then a menu appears and you will be able to actually copy the code. And don't worry if my code now looks a bit different than what you see on your end. I have a custom code. Yours will start with REL and the number. Nevertheless, you can also share that one. And if you're interested in learning more about the code themselves, I've linked the information to our website below. The other option you have is, if you go back to the menu, you can actually also use the profile function, where in the bottom right, you actually go into profile, you will see your name, and on there you will also see how much referrals have come in or what is left this month. And there you can also share the code by clicking the duplicate icon on the top right. All you now need to do is share this with friends, family, or people you want to get on to Bitcoin and Relai. You can send the code. Please tell them to also use it, because they will reduce their fees from 1% to 0.9%, and you will get the 10% revenue share paid in Bitcoin to your Relai wallet. If you've got questions or need to know more about us, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, contact us on social media or in the app, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.